Welcome to today's discussion on one of the most important topics in the legal profession, legal ethics in the digital age. As technology continues to evolve, so do the challenges lawyers face when it comes to ethical practice. From social media usage to ensuring client confidentiality in the cloud, and even navigating the role of AI in legal advice, the digital age is pushing the boundaries of traditional legal ethics. But how do we keep up? That's what we're diving into today. Let's start with something that's already common practice for most lawyers today: social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Facebook have become vital tools for professional networking, marketing, and sharing legal insights. However, these platforms present unique ethical challenges. First off, confidentiality. As a lawyer, it's crucial to maintain client confidentiality. But what happens when you share a post about a case, even in a generalized way, or engage in discussions about legal matters online? Does that violate attorney-client privilege? What if a client's confidential details are revealed in the comments or inadvertently shared? In 2026, maintaining the balance between staying connected and adhering to ethical guidelines can be tricky. Lawyers must ensure their online presence doesn't compromise the confidentiality of their clients, the integrity of their advice, or breach the rules of professional conduct. Some bar associations have begun offering guidelines on what is and isn't acceptable. For example, avoiding client names, case specifics, or anything that could lead to public identification of a client or confidential information. Social media is also a great way to stay informed on current legal trends, but the key is to be mindful of what's shared and how it could be perceived. Moving on to another huge challenge: artificial intelligence. AI has already begun to revolutionize the legal field. Tools that help automate document review, streamline research, and even draft basic legal documents are increasingly common in law firms around the world. But with these advancements come new ethical dilemmas. AI-driven tools promise efficiency, but what happens when an AI makes a mistake? Imagine an AI tool drafting a contract that's legally flawed or offering legal advice that could mislead a client. As a lawyer, you're responsible for the outcome, but where does the responsibility lie when AI tools are involved? In 2026, the challenge is not just ensuring that AI tools are accurate, but also making sure they align with ethical standards of fairness, transparency, and bias. How do you ensure that AI systems are trained on ethical guidelines and not perpetuating biases or discrimination? As lawyers, it's crucial to continuously review the tools you're using to ensure they meet both legal and ethical standards. And let's not forget about the ethical implications of using AI to provide legal advice. What happens when a client receives legal counsel from an AI assistant that's not properly vetted or reviewed by a licensed professional? Could this cross into unauthorized practice of law? At the end of the day, lawyers are still responsible for the advice given to clients. AI can be a helpful tool, but it must always be accompanied by human oversight to maintain ethical and legal responsibility. Another area where ethics are being challenged in the digital age is client confidentiality. In a world where files are stored in the cloud and communication often happens through emails or online portals, how can lawyers ensure their clients' sensitive information is kept secure? Encryption technology has improved dramatically, but there are still risks. Data breaches, hacking attempts, and even accidental leaks can pose a serious threat to confidentiality. The question every lawyer must ask is, what are the best practices for securing my client's information in a digital world? In addition to using secure, encrypted communication tools, lawyers also need to be vigilant about ensuring they comply with regulations like the GDPR or CCPA, depending on where their clients are located. What's even more complex is the increasing use of cross-border legal services, which can complicate compliance with data protection laws. It's clear that maintaining confidentiality in 2026 means not only using secure systems, but also understanding the global and evolving landscape of data privacy laws. Keeping clients' data secure is no longer just a best practice, it's a fundamental ethical obligation. This is where platforms like Legalizer can make a big difference. With Legalizer, law firms can ensure they're complying with data protection laws by providing encrypted communications, secure document management, and a cloud-based system designed for confidentiality. In an era where everything is connected, Legalizer allows you to focus on what matters most, serving your clients ethically and effectively. Stay informed and try Legalizer today.